So because of see finish, I didn't want to come online since morning till this time. I didn't want to be oppressed or depressed. You see, all of una, we're using our relationships, oppress us. I will report you all to Very Dark Man. Yes, I will report you all to VDM, because why won't I? Anyways, I'm happy that today is coming to an end. And finally, all of us will move on. Rubbish. Anyways, while you enjoyed your Valentine, me, I'm enjoying my soup, because what is life without food? What is people's relationship without my pot of soup? For some of them, the relationship they don't do anything for now. I can't even tell you sorry, because why would I tell you sorry? Even we know the relationship better pass you. Come and join the team, the moving train. You say no, my sister. You say no. They play. Just they play. Just they waste your time. Time the way you go use enjoy your life as a single person. You say no, you want the relationship where they not relate to you. Anyways, that one our business. By the way, what if I tell you that I used 3,000 naira to make this soup that is showing on your screen? Would you doubt me? Wait, you will doubt me? Hey, these people think I'm playing when I say I can use shaking money to make any meal you want to eat. Bro, I used 3K to make this soup you are looking at right now. I'm telling you, honestly. Yeah. Oh, these people decide they play. I tell you, say if you think say maybe this thing is not possible. If you think it's not possible, just enter my DM. Send me a DM. I will. Oh, it go shock you what I go do for you. It go shock you. By the way, if you know you are single like us, I want to know the name of this soup that I'm making. Just say hi. If you know you are in a relationship, go and ask the baby that babied you. Yes, because I don't owe you any explanation. Let me talk. Come and beat me. And my soup is ready. The soup that is the talk of the town. The soup that is sweeter than some people's relationship. The soup that is making some people cry right now. Hey, this soup. Look at my soup and my loy. So let me hear you say loy. I know if you like joining me, come and join me. And thanks for watching, guys.